नमस्कार श्रोता बंधु मु आरजे शुभश्री आपण शुणुछंती 90.4 सोवा रेडियो शुभेच्छा जणाई आरंभ करुछु आजिर अस्मिता कार्यक्रम। श्रोता बंधु नारी होछि ए सृष्टिर आधार। नारी बिना ए समाज कल्पना करबा मध्य असंभव। नारी कोଳରେ आमे समस्ते जन्म नेइछंती। तारी कोଳରେ बढ़ी तारी लालन पालन रे आमे समस्ते गोटिए सुंदर आकार पाइछंती। आजिर नारी खूब आगरे घर संभाळिबा ठारू आरंभ करी देश संभाळिबारे मध्य खूब अग्रणी। शिक्षा हेउ स्वास्थ्य हेउ अर्थनीति व्यवस्था मध्य हो निजक मध्य नारी सेतिकी सामिल करि पारिछि समाजर एक मुख्य स्रोतरे। आजिर नारी निज प्रचेष्टारे निजक सेतिकी सशक्त करिबारे मध्य सफलता अर्जन करिछि। आज आम सहित जणे खास अतिथि जोड़ी हेछंती। से होछंती श्रीमती प्रीति महापात्र, फाउंडर एंड मेंटर ऑफ महापात्र यूनिवर्सल लिमिटेड, इन्फ्लुएंशियल बिजनेस वुमन एंड फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट। सीए लोक मानक पई अनेक काम करिसंती। शिक्षा क्षेत्र रे हो सामाजिक क्षेत्र रे मध्य तांकर अनेक अवदान अछि। तेबे चलंतु आउ डेरी न करी आजिर कार्यक्रम को अतिथि को स्वागत करिबा। नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्कार।
आपको आज की कार्यक्रम पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
धन्यवाद।
कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
And how do you feel at 90.4 Swa Radio?
I'm feeling extremely overwhelmed as this is the first time I have come to SOA and I'm going to discuss my journey in Odisha. And of course, there are many interviews and many people who come who want to understand what is it that I am doing, who is Preeti Mahapatra and what is she doing in Odisha. बहुत सारे सवाल आते हैं और आपने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि लोगों तक हमारी आवाज़ पहुँचे और हमारा काम जो हमने किया है वो पहुँचे। सो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
पहले तो आपको ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि आप कैसे उड़ीसा में आपकी जो सोशल वर्क टीम है उसको शुरू किए थे?
See, we do social work across India. However, we focused mainly on the underprivileged communities.
Yes.
We work in few states like Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and in Odisha I began my journey a couple of years ago. It is here in Odisha that my work feels closest to my heart, honestly, and it is very impactful and truly heart touching. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ। जैसे कि रक्षाबंधन फेस्टिवल में we encourage 25 self-help groups to make 25,000 handmade Rakhis. And in making those Rakhis, they were not only crafting threads, but they were weaving strength, self-worth and pride. जब रक्षाबंधन का फेस्टिवल आया, of course मैंने सब SHG ग्रुप्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट किया and it was such a beautiful, joyous moment जहाँ पे मैं सारे ग्रुप्स को मिली. And Rakhi was a very small symbol of love, but it carried the power of livelihood and pride for every woman who made that Rakhi. Similarly, we in several districts of Odisha, we conduct medical camps, जहाँ पर हम लोगों को essential health supplies देते हैं जहाँ वो afford नहीं कर पाते हैं. So basic medical kits, basic camps we do like blood donation. Odisha में blood की बहुत कमी है. So it is very nice to see. It's not about the camp. It is very nice to see that people come together and we understand at that point in time the essence of community. जहाँ पे they support each other, they work together and they are working to make a better community and they want to make a difference to Odisha. क्योंकि ओडिशा में जो बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स में ये लैक ऑफ ब्लड है वो लोग समझते हैं जो अनएजुकेटेड है, who want to come and help the community. So here I see community strength and this itself gives me a lot of power and wanting to do more for them. Every effort, whether small or big, has a lasting impact on my mind and heart in Odisha because my goal is to walk with the people, help them, strengthen them and make them realize that उनकी ही ताकत को उनके ड्रीम्स को अचीव करने में मदद कर सकती है. That's all I am doing to make their future brighter and a stronger Odisha.
तो अभी आप उड़ीसा में क्या क्या काम कर रहे हैं लोगों के लिए?
So, see, look, the foundation operates all across. So, besides the other states, Odisha में मैं mainly tribal, underprivileged और जो एस्पिरेशनल रूरल एरियाज है, रीजन्स है उड़ीसा के, मैं उस पर फोकस कर रही हूँ. उड़ीसा is a rich state in terms of agriculture and minerals. It is our mission to create sustainable employment opportunities with my limited means of connections and collaborations across various industries right here in Odisha. Alongside, we are currently organizing multiple health camps where we are looking at the well-being of every family. When their children are away from home, they really have nobody to look after them. And they thrive for basic support as well. और मैं यहाँ पे और एक चीज़ बोलना चाहती हूँ कि सोशल वर्क डज नॉट मीन कि आप उनके लिए मेडिसिन्स दो या कोई खाने की चीज़ दीजिए या उनको सेल्फ रिलायंट बनाइए. इट इज़ ऑल्सो इमोशनल. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ऐसे जब बच्चे नहीं होते घर पे, द एल्डर्स इवन दे सफ़र फॉर बेसिक लव, सपोर्ट एंड केयर. सो वी ऑल्सो ट्राई टू डू दैट. एंड एनीबडी who has an intention to do this, my heart and doors are welcome. I mean, they are open to all of them who want to offer their support. ये सब काम करने के लिए आपको कोई बहुत बड़ा मिलियनर होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप किसी भी एक छोटे गांव में जाके यू कैन डू दिस. उनका सिर्फ उनकी बातें भी सुनना इज़ लाइक, यू नो, व्हेन आई गो टू विलेजेस देयर आर विमेन, ओल्डर विमेन स्पेशली, दे कम टू मी एंड दे टॉक इन ओडिया ऑफ कोर्स. एंड इट इज़ सो सैडनिंग जब मैं सुनती हूँ कि उनके बच्चे घर पे नहीं आए, 6 महीने तक घर नहीं आते बिकॉज दे वर्क आउटसाइड ऑफ द स्टेट. एंड इट्स वेरी हर्टफुल. सो I spend most of the time understanding their grievances. Now, this is regarding families and communities. I also meet associations. I'm a social worker and I am trying to do my best because जब इनको satisfaction मिलती है, I think I'm doing some good karma and my heart is at peace and I can sleep in peace, and I'm so happy when I see their happy faces and improvement in their lifestyle and of course their income.
How do you enjoy your work?
I spend a lot of time listening to the voices of the people. You know, for example, improving their lives and creating work and dignity in the villages, especially the communities. That itself gives me a lot of peace. And I love my job because I'm touching people's lives. And when I can make a difference in somebody's life, that itself is a very big blessing. There are a lot of ways of doing social work. What we do is independent as well as collaborations because कहीं पे local support ज़रूरी होता है. But otherwise, even if you're not financially that stable or that sound, अगर आपके पास intention है, अगर आपके पास वो will है कि मैं society में कुछ I should give back, you can give back in any form. You can give back in the form of love and care. You can give back to all these senior citizens, old age homes में मैं जाती हूँ. I mean, I feel touched. I feel extremely touched, and at times, you know, I'm sorry to say, but I land up crying as well. कि भगवान ने हमको इतना कुछ दिया है और यहाँ पे, you know, there's so much to do और नहीं हो रहा है, which is why all these lacks that I see in the rural areas of Odisha, I am spending most of my time here now because I want to give back to the society and I want to make a difference and make a brighter Odisha.
तो मैम, उस वक्त आपने क्या क्या challenges face किए थे?
The biggest challenge I face is an emotional one. You'll be surprised. When I look into the eyes of the people struggling, not only financial struggling, even otherwise they are struggling for basics. As a human being, my heart breaks. My heart breaks to see how privileged we are. I feel the pain as if it was my own pain. I put myself in their shoes and I see that how lucky we are when I see their daily struggles and the barriers they are facing. And plus they have hopes and dreams for a better future. For example, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, मैं एक ब्लाइंड स्कूल में गई थी और वहाँ के बच्चे इतने एक्साइटेड थे कि कोई हमको मिलने आ रहा है. यू वोंट बिलीव इट, the blind children danced for me, they sang songs, they sang bhajans, and yet they have dreams and aspirations of becoming something in their life. Something we take for granted. हम सुबह उठते normally, oh, we can see the whole world. They can't see anything. And yet they were so happy. So I spent an entire day with them and I was almost in tears. Similarly, I went to the inmate school, जिनके माँ बाप जेल में हैं. And it was quite overwhelming. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little emotional about this because I was extremely overwhelmed and I still am. When I regularly go there and I see whenever I go, they get so attached to me, they all come and hug me because they cannot meet their own parents. So they feel so great that कोई हमको मिलने आया, किसी ने हमारे साथ लंच किया, कोई हमारे साथ बैठा हुआ है, कोई हमारे साथ डांस कर रहा है, बात कर रहा है. So it is, even lack of parenthood. हम इतना नॉर्मली अरे चलो घर पे मम्मी डैडी है, फैमिली है. इनकी तो फैमिली ही नहीं है और पेरेंट्स को रेयरली मिलने. ऑफ कोर्स यू नो हाउ द रूल्स and how often they can meet their parents, and 80% of the children want to join the police force because they feel injustice towards their parents, that they don't understand. They're small children. उनको लगता है हम सब पुलिस बनेंगे. They want to save their parents and they want to get out of the jail. I want to do more for them and I will continue doing, and we are doing. My entire team does this for them. So whatever we can provide them in terms of love, care, educational tools, lunches, whatever they is required for them, we do provide with them, and all the facilities. And even if I'm not there, for example I'm in some rural area, my team regularly goes there, they sit with them, they play with them, and they feel extremely happy. I think वो खुशी जो मिलती है ना, जो वो videos और photos में जब मेरे पास आते हैं, I am overjoyed. I tell God, thank you for giving me the opportunity to please these small children, because it matters a lot. These are the blessings that matter to me. So this is one of the challenge I face, is very emotional. Secondly, I also face another challenge in the rural areas. In Odisha, one of the greatest challenges is raising awareness. Because helping people and understanding, what is their need and trying to change them to a better lifestyle is a very big challenge for me. Because, of course, nothing can be done overnight. It has to be done step by step. And with patience and compassion. वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमको patient होना पड़ता है, and we need to have a lot of compassion towards their struggle. So before we can truly make a difference, we walk alongside the people, we understand their way of life, and we try to bring a shift slowly and gradually, trying to understand their perspectives and their habits. Because I have noticed the behavior patterns are very deeply rooted, and that's the real challenge I face. They do not readily accept a change. So if we are trying to create awareness, उनको समझाते हैं, वो इतना पूरी तरीके से ग्रास नहीं कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि उनके उड़ीसा का कल्चर इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. ऑफ कोर्स एवरी स्टेट हैज़ डिफरेंट कल्चर, बट यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा एक इशू आता है. बट वी हैंडल दैम वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज फर्स्ट वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर वे ऑफ लाइफ. वी वॉक विद दैम. तो हम उनके साथ पहले जुड़ते हैं, we associate with them, we let them know we are their well-wishers. जब उनको confidence आता है, slowly we try to make a shift in terms of awareness. So awareness is definitely a challenge, and the bond that I am trying to build with them when I'm walking with them in their lives, trying to slowly push them forward, making them understand their own strength and making them realize that I'm with them. उनको ये समझ में आ गया कि she is with us, and knowing that we are all together working for a future, उनकी सपने को सच करने के लिए, that is what will create a lasting impression not only on their life but throughout their lives. And I think I can touch lives like this, and this is my motto, and through the challenges that I'm facing.
Ma'am, everyone's journey is beautiful. as like not stoppable. So can you share your successful story?
Well, my journey is more like a river flowing in every direction. And every journey brings a set of challenges. No journey is complete without obstacles. And it is because of these obstacles that your journey becomes more meaningful. So I want to share some recent stories of mine, especially one which is very deep rooted and close to my heart. Since I am a great devotee of Lord Jagannath, भगवान जगन्नाथ बलभद्र सुभद्रा की आशीर्वाद से जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा में I had the opportunity free e-rickshaw rides from Puri railway station to Baradando, which is the last stoppage of the yatra, for all the senior citizens, children, women, जिनको भी facilities चाहिए थी. We gave free e-rickshaw rides. We gave 1 lakh chilled water bottles in that heat, because इतनी गर्मी में इतना उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दिया कि थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आपने इतना भी सोचा हमारे लिए. एंड वी गेव फूड पैकेट्स कि जब आप चलोगे, बच्चे हैं, बूढ़े हैं, यू नो समबडी में बी अ पेशेंट, दे नीड सम बेसिक फूड आइटम्स. सो हमने फूड पैकेट्स बना के भी दिए. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ माई बिगेस्ट सक्सेस स्टोरी, दैट I could do something for a Chardham Yatra, which is the Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. So that itself is a blessing that Preeti Mahapadra should work more in Odisha, and I think it's my calling. It is my calling that I should be in Odisha and I should work for the people of Odisha, because मुझे बहुत सारी blessings मिली हैं यहाँ से, and I feel truly so blessed that I can work for my brothers and sisters of Odisha. And you know, I feel grateful to God that I could share that moment with them where they are, you know, so happy and they are smiling and crying at the same time, and they are sharing their love with me. So when I see their love and, you know, the spirit, it's a small act. I did nothing great, but that itself proves that I'm on the right path. The very fact that Lord Jagannath के लिए, भगवान के लिए मैंने जो किया, मुझे ये ज़रूर लगता है कि आई एम ऑन द राइट पाथ एंड आई एम डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स फॉर द पीपल ऑफ ओडिशा.
मैम, लास्ट में ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि हमारे लिसनर्स और जो यूथ है, हाउ दे कैन कंट्रीब्यूट देमसेल्फ टुवर्ड्स सोशल वर्क.
See, success, first of all, is not measured by what you accumulate. Success is measured by what you can give. To the youth and the listeners, I would like to share this. Don't let the world pull you down by materialistic chase. आजकल की दुनिया इतनी materialistic हो चुकी है that everybody thinks only for themselves. The real fulfillment of life doesn't come from wealth or your status. It comes from the way you give back to the society, which is karma, जो भगवद गीता में भी लिखा हुआ है. It comes from good intentions and a heart full of compassion. You know, if you want to genuinely contribute, you don't need to be financially sound always. ये मैंने पहले भी बोला है. You need to have time. You know, you need to have some kind of effort, compassion and a noble heart. पहले तो आपके दिल में ये इच्छा होनी चाहिए कि मैं ये दिल से करूँ. And only then will you willingly offer, and God will show you the way. And for people, I would want to say that volunteering comes from empathy. Empathy means it's about feeling for others, understanding their problems, and it's not only about people. It can be environment, it can be for animals, for the nature, for every single living thing around us. So it is not only people, we all are interconnected. And I think the more we give, the more we receive in terms of peace, in terms of love, in terms of a purpose of life. सारे लोग पैसा कमाते हैं, सब कुछ बन जाते हैं, बड़े बन जाते हैं, कोई लोग अंडर प्रिविलेज होते, लेकिन वो एक लाइफ का एक पर्पस होना चाहिए. तो पैसा तो ठीक है, बट व्हाट इज़ योर पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ? अगर आप अपने ही बारे में सोचोगे तो व्हाट अबाउट योर ओन कर्मा एंड गिविंग बैक टू द सोसाइटी, या योर ओन पेरेंट्स फॉर एग्जांपल. ऐसे काफ़ी बच्चे हैं जो अपने पेरेंट्स को भी इग्नोर करते हैं. they don't go home for years. Just because they think they are struggling in some other country or some other state, India mein reh ke bhi, they don't want to celebrate Diwali with their parents, and the parents are longing to see the faces of their children जिन्होंने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी लगा दी उनको सक्सेसफुल बनाने में, उनको एजुकेट करने में बचपन से, जिन्होंने उनको ये लाइफ दी है. So I think struggle does not only mean and social work and volunteering is not only for people, it is also for the environment. Because of global warming, there are a lot of problems we are facing. I think in a lot of ways we can contribute to animals, to everything around us, even the nature. And if you have the intention, they can always join our campaigns. We do a lot of collaborations where people come to me and say, ma'am, tell us how we can associate with you. So हम collaborations भी करते हैं जहाँ पे कुछ लोग आते हैं और बोलते हैं मैम हम ब्लड दे सकते हैं. So that means a lot. उसका intention अच्छा है, उसका motive अच्छा है. He wants to give nothing but his own blood. The moment you want to do social work with a lot of publicity, you defeat the purpose of charity. तब चैरिटी का मतलब ही नहीं होता है, आपके नोबल मिशन का मतलब ही नहीं होता है. मीन्स यू डो नॉट हैव अ नोबल हार्ट. वाई आर यू ट्राइंग टू पब्लिसाइज योर वर्क? आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो थोड़ा कुछ करते हैं और बहुत सारा PR करते हैं. न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर्स को आने चाहिए, कवरेज होना चाहिए, फोटोग्राफी होनी चाहिए, बट दैट इज़ नॉट सोशल वर्क. Social work is where you change people's lives, where you find the purpose of your life, and which I have found finally. All these years I've been working in Odisha, and it's not overnight. I mean, I have had a journey in Odisha, and I'm very thankful to God who allows me that I can bring joy and kindness to the people who genuinely deserve it, to the underprivileged people especially, and I would only want to create a world in Odisha where compassion is a currency and my love will be a legacy I will leave behind in Odisha. That's all I can say, because my heart genuinely beats here for them.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time.
I am thankful to you for giving me this opportunity where I could at least speak up to the world, and especially to the people of Odisha. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkal Janani.
श्रोता बंधु, वर्तमान तो समय हेलाणी आजिर अतिथि को विदाय दबा एवं ता सहित कार्यक्रमटी को एठी समाप्ति करिबा. मु पुणी थरे आपण मानकु भेटी देबी एही अस्मिता कार्यक्रम रे आउ एक नुआ अध्याय. सेथि पर्यंत सुनुथांतु 90.4 सोवा रेडियो.